Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ocean bay style window in Heartopia. So you need to get the Shimmering Bay Window from the past. You do need to pay for this one, but I feel like it is worth it. And I'm just going to place mine like here. One, there's one and like a half kind of wall. Okay, you can figure it out using the grids. But basically, I have a low wall here, two half walls, and one low wall here as well. Then what I'm going to want to do is I'm actually going to decorate this first before I glitch this. So I will decorate and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to glitch the bay window. So I'm going to just grab it here and I'm just going to take it out and then press the check mark button, hold it, and press this button a lot of times. Sometimes it won't work the first try. It happens all the time, so just do it again. There we go. Now we will put the curtain beads, which I actually don't know where they're placed. So let me find that and I'll be right back. Never mind, I found it. They're in the wall decor. And I'm just going to kind of like put this one like a little bit up here. So it's like kind of wavy and not like still, I guess. Is that where I placed the other one? Okay. And you can add your shells here. I think you have to add it later though. I'm in the blueprint mode, so I'm not able to add it. Let's just press complete, confirm creation. Okay, and I'll see you when I'm back in the like build mode again. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!